Have you ever wondered how to create your own organic fertilizer? It's not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly. Plus, it can supercharge your plants with health benefits. Intrigued? Stay tuned to learn how to make your own organic fertilizer at home. To start off, gather the necessary materials. You'll need kitchen scraps like fruit peels and coffee grounds, yard waste such as leaves and grass clippings, and a compost bin or pile. Give it some time, and you'll have your organic fertilizer. With these materials at hand, you are ready to start the process. Now, let's dive into the process of making organic fertilizer. It all begins with layering your compost bin. Start with a layer of dry leaves or shredded newspaper. This will serve as the foundation for your compost pile. Next, add a layer of kitchen scraps and yard waste. These can be anything from fruit peels and coffee grounds to grass clippings and fallen leaves. These materials are rich in nutrients and essential for the composting process. Repeat this layering process until your bin is filled to the brim. Then, every few weeks, it's time to turn your compost pile. This helps the materials break down evenly, ensuring that every bit of your compost is fully decomposed. Patience is key here. Wait for several months for the compost to fully decompose. Eventually, you'll be rewarded with rich, dark soil that's teeming with nutrients. And there you have it, your own homemade organic fertilizer. So, you see, making your own organic fertilizer is not as complicated as you might think. With a few simple materials and steps, you can create a nutrient-rich supplement for your garden. Not only does this save you money, but it's also an excellent way to recycle kitchen scraps and reduce waste. Plus, your plants will absolutely love it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!